Hey drone technology fans, Bill here. Got a channel update coming right up. I have some exciting news to share with you regarding the channel for the month of May, so we're going to jump right into it. The first thing is, one Sunday afternoon a month at about 2 o'clock in the afternoon, I'm going to be doing Sunday afternoon Rotor Talk Live. That will take place of the Tuesday evening Rotor Talk Live for this week. The reason that I want to do that is I have quite a few of international subscribers who are unable to participate on the Tuesday evening Rotor Talk Live. So I thought one Sunday a month at 2 o'clock in the afternoon, that will enable a number of them to be able to participate, ask questions, and to be able to watch it while we're live. And I'm really excited about that because I do get a lot of comments and a lot of great feedback from my international subscribers. So really looking forward to that. So my friends, internationally, please be on the lookout for that. I haven't set a timetable, but it will happen during the month of May. The next thing I am so excited about is I'm also going to be, as you know, I've reviewed drones from DJI and from Lapel. I'm expanding. I'm expanding to review drones from GearBest, from Eachine, I hope I pronounced that right, and RC Moments. These are also referred to as toy drones. It's a very growing segment of people are being able to get these drones. A lot of them are very affordable. Some of them are quite small. And all of them look to be a lot of fun. So be on the lookout for that. I have my first one being sent to me rather shortly. So that's something I think it's going to be very exciting. And again, these are very affordable type drones. A lot of them are under $100. And I think it's fascinating, and I think it's a great way, especially for young kids, to get into drones. So there's going to be a lot more coming up on that, so stay tuned. Also, in conjunction with that, I'm going to have a monthly contest to win a drone. And it's going to be open to subscribers who comment and like on the review video. I have my first drone being sent to me in a couple of weeks. It should be here. So be looking for that review. And on that review for the month, at the end of the month of May, I have some software that automatically selects from someone who has commented, who has liked, and who is a subscriber. So it's going to be completely random, but I'm really looking forward to that. You guys should too. It's always great to be able to win something, and I think it'll be a fantastic, especially since everybody loves this hobby so much. So, and again, this is open to everybody internationally too. I want to make sure that you guys know that. Just understand it may take some time for me to get it over there, and regarding shipping costs and having to fill out customs papers. But I do want to let you know that I will ship internationally regarding this. Also, one of the things I'm also excited about in May, as you remember, the DJI Mavic Air, I did a number of series of videos on that, and that was lent to me from Florida Drone Supply down in Fort Myers, Florida, which is a couple hours south. Now, Janelle McVeigh, who's a co-owner with her husband of Florida Drone Supply, they are opening a brick and mortar store, and I am so excited for them. And I've been invited to come down after they're going to AVUSI, which is a commercial drone conference. It's the largest one, I believe, in the world. So they said after that, it's probably going to be sometime late May. I'm going to go down on a Saturday with my wife. We're going to go down. We're going to film the store. We're going to talk to Janelle, and I'm going to do a video on that. And she is super excited about that. And I'm super excited about going down there because not only do they have, the regular, I'll call it commercial type drones. Not only have consumer type drones, but they also have commercial drones there too. The Matrices are there. They have the Zenmuses there. And it'll be exciting to see some of this because I've never actually seen them or touched them. So I think that's going to be a very cool experience. So be watching for that video. It's probably not going to come out till probably late May at this point in time. Also, I want to thank everybody on a regular basis for your great, thoughtful, insightful comments. You guys are absolutely fantastic. I can't thank you enough. I really, really, really appreciate them. If you have any suggestions for the channel, please make sure you email them to BillTheDroneReviewer@gmail.com. That's BillTheDroneReviewer@gmail.com. That will be in the description. Also, I also want to make mention of the fact Unfortunately, there are some out there who like to persist in behavior, and this is why I leave a pinned comment on the top of the past several videos. And some of the things that that I have seen on the channel, and I've had to delete these comments. A lot of you didn't even see these comments, but I just wanted to run through this list here just to make sure everybody knows the ground rules. Some of the things that I will not tolerate on this channel are unapproved links, excessive language, trolling, combative comments, bullying, harassment, personal attacks, channel attacks, being rude, or vulgar. And this also applies to my Tuesday night Rotor Talk Live or Sunday afternoon Rotor Talk Live shows as well. You know, these are things I will not tolerate. And it will also, you know, if the first thing I will do is delete the comment, and if comments can continue from that subscriber or that person, I will go ahead and block them. So just, you know, and again, this applies to about less than 1% of all my subscribers or people that watch the videos. But I just want to let you know, I want to make this a great place for everybody. And I run some other Facebook groups, and that was my theme of some of these groups, because I don't like combative commenting. I don't like excessive or rude language. I don't like bullying. I want a free place to be able to express our opinions. And what other place than on YouTube with these comments? I think it's a fantastic medium to do this. This is why I love it. You guys always give me great feedback. And the only thing I ask is, you know, if it's going to be more than a paragraph or a few sentences, send it to me in an email. That's fantastic. And I also want to thank all of you. Another update as well. I have received so many people who have asked me for advice regarding what drone they should buy. I want to thank you guys very much for that. Please, you guys are always welcome to email me. Of course, I will never ever charge you for that. The only thing I would ask is, especially if it's a DJI product that I recommend to you, that you buy them through my affiliate links. That way, it doesn't cost you any additional money at all, but it helps support the channel, and that's something that I truly appreciate. And I don't know, at the bottom of every description, I also include an additional way to support the channel. It's through a special PayPal account that I have set up. So anytime you feel the need, you would like to throw a few coins my way, I would really appreciate that, because I'm looking to be doing some things like getting a new camera, getting a desk, getting a banner, some other things that I'm planning on as I start to grow the channel. And I would greatly appreciate your support. So again, you know, these links will always be in the description, but I'll make sure to highlight it so you guys know that it's there. I can't thank you enough for all your support. We are growing absolutely like crazy, like gangbusters. Thank you all so much for keep spreading the word about this. And also thank you all for your comments on the Facebook page as well. And also on Twitter. I'm getting a lot of good feedback on there as well. Please keep it up. Thank you very much. Also want to let you know, if you comment on the Facebook page, I may not get to it right away, because I see my email before I actually see those comments on the Facebook page. But still, please leave them. But if it's something you want a quicker response from, always feel free to email me at BillTheDroneReviewer. If you guys like the content from today's video, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and tell others about the channel. Also, be sure to check out my Facebook page, where I do post daily updates regarding the drone and drone industry and anything that's DJI related. And also my Twitter account, where I do post daily updates there as well. Thank you all so much for watching, and happy flying.